Okay, well, Soren and I, he's from Denmark, I'm from India, and we met in Italy, and we were both doing a master's program over there. And so we at that time were not working together, we were working more parallelly, but I think we just found that our mind and our value system was kind of similar because there's so many different people there, and though we were from such different cultures, it was very easy to talk and to communicate, and our projects also were going in a very different direction but almost quite similar to each other. So after we finished in Italy, we decided to start working with these kind of projects, and because we use a lot of technology and we are not engineers, it's very difficult, I think, for one person to manage so many different things, and the process is very complicated. So we decided to work together because it's more fun, and also the quality of the work is much better. So I think it's also not to get too bored with such a complicated thing. So when Soren and I start to work together, an idea just pops up in our mind of an object, and we start working with that, but we are very interested in the emotional aspect of each project. So we like this idea of behavioral patterns and emotions, and so we work a lot with how the object is expressing itself. So we don't think of these objects as a representation, we think of it as a being which we are discovering. You understand? Okay, what I'm saying? Yeah. And we also work a lot with this industrial aesthetic, almost like each object came out of a factory, like industrial product, no? And because we like to think of it as something very normal, each of these objects are something very normal in our reality or our world which we imagine, and so we like to share it in a way that makes it possible to imagine that this is an ordinary consumer product like a washing machine or a refrigerator. So it is possible to imagine that because it looks like a factory made product. So that is also something that we are not conscious about. It also came from the idea of the object. So we think of ourselves as almost like a slave or a servant to the idea which came in our mind, and we try to be very true to that and be very exact to the idea and then see what it is. So we work in the opposite way, where we have an idea and we try to discover the idea, and we don't think, oh, this is this has this story, it came from this place, this is the reference. We just discover it and we try to understand why it came and what is the meaning of the work. The idea of interactivity is not very deliberate, and we actually don't think that there is any artistic merit in provoking the viewer or just making a work interactive for the sake of being interactive. If the idea of interactivity is very integral to the DNA of the project, then we add the interactive element. But we would like to think of our works just as an artwork. If it is interactive, then the idea needed to be interactive. If it's not interactive, we would not think any less of the work. We would like all the work to have an interesting experience if possible, like we have some interesting experience with the work for the viewer. So it is not important for us so much if it is interactive or not interactive, only if it is important for the idea of the work. The title of this exhibition is called Applied Fiction, and the reason for choosing this title, there are few reasons. One is like we like to think of our works as our imagination which we are injecting into physical objects. So we're applying our imagination into and fiction into a real world, and also that we in a way we don't have a very rational approach to making our objects. We first make them and then we try to understand in some ways where it came from, and it's not always very easy to understand where it came from, and we somehow like the mystery of it having many meanings, or for us to not be able to discover also where exactly it came from. So that's a kind of mystery and a fiction. And it also has another reason, which is our production company is called Applied Fiction Interaction Lab Private Limited, and that is the company where we do all our R&D and our experiments and our research, and we produce all these works. So we are very familiar with the word title of applied fiction. So it's very close to us. So we thought it could be a fine title for these works. And as such, we are not working with any theme or a title or a project. We just make works which come up in our mind. And so we thought it's a good title.